you're pursuing college. Have you thought about which university to enroll in? Lots of possible choices, right? If you are still undecided on where to go, let us tell you why Southern Leyte State University is one of your best choices. They say there is strength in numbers. So, let's take a look at SLSU in numbers.
Southern Leyte State University envisions to be a high-quality corporate science and technology university. With 8 graduate programs and 37 baccalaureate programs distributed in 6 different campuses, SLSU is home to more than 10,000 students yearly. Being the only state university in Southern Leyte, serving this large number of youngsters, our commitment to inspire the next generation grows stronger each day.
Scholarships are offered each year in an attempt to remove barriers and open doors for students who are determined to finish college.
With great desire to give you the best services, the university is in constant pursuit of excellence. Annually, faculties were sent to various trainings and seminars. But it does not end here. SLSU main campus is ISO 9001-2015 certified. 3 baccalaureate programs from different campuses are AACOP Level 3 accredited, 19 Level 2, and 5 Level 1. In fact, the College of Teacher Education in Tomas Opus campus is recognized by CHED as a center of development for teacher education.
Enhancing the learning environment through modernized facilities is one of our major priorities. Aside from the new 2-story university library to be established in the main campus, the SLSU Buntu campus has 3 newly built state-of-the-art bioresource laboratories for instruction and research purposes. These laboratories are homes to modern and high-tech facilities and equipment for scientific activities and experiments. The university also spends lots of effort in selecting the best pool of faculty to serve you.
Currently, we have 76 doctor's degree holders, 134 master's degree holders, and 56 faculties with ongoing graduate studies. These faculties are not just committed to teaching, but to diverse faculty functions. With 97 researches completed in 2018, collaborating with 10 partner agencies, SLSU is now one of the research universities in the country.
The 2 top tourist destinations in the province, namely the Tagbak Marine Park and Mulopolo Fish Sanctuary of Liloan, are our research sites for marine biology.
Not to mention the 94 international, 38 national, and 2 local paper presentations. We even have our 2 very own Asian Citation Indexed international journals.
International exposure, you say? Did you know that the university has been able to send students for international internships?
In the past 5 years, about 20 education students have been sent to Vietnam for practice teaching. A total of 15 BS HRTM and 4 BS IT students were sent to Japan for OJT. Plus, 2 BSA students were sent to Israel for internship. Sounds great, right?
SLSU alumni are no pushovers. In 2017, 100% of our graduates passed the electrical engineering licensure examination, and this has been happening 3 years in a row.
We even produced a top 10 in the February 2018 Mechanical Engineering Licensure examination. Our criminology program is also one of the performing programs in the country with 86.21% passing percentage in the December 2018 Criminologist Licensure examination. Plus, the university has been ranked 35th out of 273 schools in the Philippines.
But of course, it's not all about hard work. SLSU has more than 20 students' organizations and societies, letting them engage in different extra and co-curricular activities.
Life in the university is also pretty convenient for students like you. With dormitories and boarding houses within the campus's vicinities, your living quarter is not a problem. Supplies are also easily accessible through the different malls and department stores around the school areas.
Concerned with money transactions? No problem. Your allowances and fees can be easily sent to you through banks and pera paidala centers spread around each of the campuses.
When you weigh it all down, the numbers speak for themselves, but it doesn't stop there.
We, at SLSU, will continue to strive towards our vision of being a high-quality corporate science and technology university.
This is more than our passion.
More than our mission. This is our commitment to everyone who wishes to stay with us to study,
Learn,
succeed.
and unwind.
So, will you count yourself in?